Look, what do we see? Birds on the train, happy as can be. Parrot is talking, bright and green, singing so sweet, what a lovely scene. Sparrow is tiny, chirping away, flying and singing all through the day. Peacock dancing, feathers so white, shining with colors full of pride. Crow is cawing, black and loud, flying so high above the crowd. Pigeon cooing, gentle and sweet, hopping along on little pink feet. A duck is quacking, splashing around, making a happy, joyful sound. Eats owl is hooting, eyes open wide, watching the world on a quiet ride. Hen is clucking, feathers brown, pecking the floor, moving around. An eagle soaring, strong and free, flying so high for all to see. Birds on the train, what a happy ride, learning with friends, side by side. Birds on the train, what a happy ride.